My name is Melissa Beasley, and I work for Northport Flooring America. So the design process that I work with my builder client is I meet with the client first and we make all of the selections, tile and carpet. And a lot of times the selections are not concrete because typically the homes are rather large, so it is a process. So the home that is in the parade this year is Prestige Homes. It's their model home, which is in Boston Heights. And we do the flooring for Prestige. And their model home is very, very unique. It has a lot of different aspects of design to the home, the way that it's laid out, very open floor plan. The architectural, aspects of it in itself are beautiful. It's a very stunning home. And there's tile in their family foyer. And then they also have a really cool dog room off that area that is all tiled as well with a gate. First floor laundry room is also tiled with some really nice larger body tile as well. And then their actual kitchen space and then into their butler's pantry, they have a really cool brick. It's actual cut brick that's really nice, very open, very high ceilings again. The carpet selections that we have in that home, we have some very intricate styles of a herringbone pattern in the lower level. There's some leopard carpet, which is supposed to be like a daughter's bedroom. And then the carpet up there in the loft in the 2 bedrooms and even in the office space, it's kind of like a linear cut and loop, which adds some texture, but it's shorter, which a lot of people are moving towards, in my opinion.